A friend of Maya even voiced concerns for her safety, as she suspected Larry of physically abusing her.
She loves her kids, she loves our family.
What comes to your mind when a devoted mother of three vanishes without a trace from her own house? Let's get to know about the unexpected tale of Maya Milete's disappearance. Maya Millete, a loving daughter, sister, and wife, disappeared from her house and has not returned yet.
She's planning for her daughter's birthday and we haven't heard anything from her. This is not her at all.
It's been more than 3 years and no one has seen her till now, as if she has magically vanished. The 39-year-old Filipino-American Maya was deeply supporting the United States Navy, dedicating her skills as a contract specialist for the Naval Information Warfare Center. But beyond her professional life, Maya's journey was intertwined with her childhood sweetheart turned husband, Larry Millete. Their story began in Honolulu, where they met in high school and blossomed into a marriage.
How did you feel when you found out?
Again, my best friend.
The couple moved to San Diego and had 3 beautiful children. However, as life often does, cracks began to appear in their seemingly perfect relationship. By late 2020, Maya found Larry to be very controlling towards her and had started throwing allegations of infidelity. Things escalated as Maya decided to divorce Larry in late December 2020. A friend of Maya even voiced concerns for her safety, as she suspected Larry of physically abusing her.
The husband of a missing Chula Vista woman is no longer cooperating with police.
She was also worried about the well-being of Maya's children. In the midst of this turmoil, Maya's search for safety led her to consider a condo as a safe house offered by a concerned friend. But tragically, before she could take action, Maya disappeared without a trace, leaving everyone desperate for answers. On January 7, 2021, Maya was last seen at 5 p.m. from the surveillance video, arriving at her family house in Chula Vista.
Marriage is sacred. And, I'm trying to keep our family together.
That's enough for you to wish death on me all the time?
You gradually had an affair since December, and he probably even whenever he got hired or whatever.
It was discovered that she had earlier called her divorce attorney to ease her personal life. The following day, her husband Larry's actions raised eyebrows when the surveillance camera footage showed him maneuvering their black Lexus GX 460. Because the rear part of the car was out of view, nothing was cleared. He later claimed that he went on a trip to Solana Beach with one of their children.
Bring him home.
I want to assure our community that no rock is being left unturned.
On the next day, some of Maya's relatives, sensing something weird, visited her home. But Larry insisted that she had locked herself in a room since yesterday. They returned the following morning and told Larry to open the room. The room stood empty, with no trace of Maya. With mounting worry, Maya's sister Maricris Druillet took matters into her own hands, filing a missing persons report with the Chula Vista Police Department. In the midst of the investigation, Larry's actions continued to raise suspicion. He then claimed a trip to Anda Borrego Desert State Park with his Lexus and enlisted a neighbor's help in detailing the vehicle. This change of behavior only added to the mystery surrounding Maya's disappearance. In the relentless pursuit of answers, volunteers searched through Mount San Miguel Park, while investigators executed a search warrant at her home, hoping to unearth any shred of evidence.
Get ready. I'm gonna file for divorce and it's gonna be messy.
In January, Maya's loved ones enlisted the help of a private investigator, joining forces with law enforcement. Yet, amidst the search efforts, a heartbreaking false alarm emerged when skeletal remains were found in Orange County, initially believed to be Maya's. However,
could make his wife vanish without leaving a trace.
Further investigation revealed that they were animal bones, leaving the mystery of Maya's disappearance unresolved. As the days turned into months, the search for Maya persisted, fueled by the unwavering determination of volunteers and her relatives. In February, from the vast expanse of Glamis sand dunes to the tranquil shores of Lower Otay Lake, search efforts spanned across various landscapes, hoping to find Maya.
We have a huge file of video showing the hundreds of people that search for your wife every weekend off of hiking trails and open fields.
Despite Larry Milete's absence from the search efforts, dedicated teams scoured areas near the Salton Sea, Fish Creek, and Imperial Gables, refusing to relent in their quest for answers. Shocking revelations emerged as Billy Little disclosed that Larry Millete resorted to purchasing spells online in a desperate attempt to salvage his failing marriage to Maya. Initially seeking spells to rekindle Maya's affection, Larry's intentions took a sinister turn.
May's husband is responsible for May's murder and disappearance.
As their relationship deteriorated, Billy revealed that Larry's quest for control escalated, with him allegedly requesting a spellcaster to incapacitate Maya, preventing her from leaving the house. There was a chilling plea that goes like, "Please punish Maya and incapacitate her enough so she can't leave the house. It's time to take the gloves off."
Please punish May and incapacitate her enough so she can't leave the house.
It paints a disturbing picture of Larry's mindset leading up to Maya's disappearance. Throughout the investigation led by the Chula Vista Police Department, multiple search warrants were executed at the Millete residence, shedding light on potential clues. On May 7, 2021, Larry Millete was served with a gun violence restraining order, compelling him to surrender firearms to authorities. The long-awaited arrest of Larry Millete on October 19, 2021 marked a significant development in the case of his wife Maya's disappearance.
Larry Millete for the murder of his wife.
Despite Maya's body not yet being found, the San Diego County District Attorney Summer Stephen announced the murder charge against Larry during a press conference. This arrest followed an extensive investigation involving the execution of 67 search warrants and 87 interviews. Larry's plea of not guilty at his arraignment on October 21, 2021 underscored the legal battle ahead.
All of San Diego County was searching for Maya. You weren't. Where were you?
The main reason I didn't go work, I was getting death threats from almost instantly.
Despite his denial of bail and release on November 4, 2021, citing concerns over past threats made by Larry, the legal proceedings took a turn in June 2022. Larry's defense attorney petitioned for an assessment of his competency to stand trial, leading to a psychiatric examination. Subsequently, in September 2022, San Diego County Superior Court Judge Cindy Davis ruled that Larry was mentally competent to stand trial. Preliminary trial hearings in January 2023 paved the way for Judge Dwayne Morning to order Larry to stand trial for Maya's murder, alongside a firearm possession charge.
The defendant was booked into jail and is being held without bail.
As the legal proceedings continue, the quest for justice for Maya Millete remains at a forefront, with Larry facing the weight of the accusations against him in a court of law. If you found this video interesting, please show your support by liking, turning the bell notification on, and subscribing to our channel for more content. Until next time.